Hello everyone, I am Bharat and today I am going to explain experiment number 5, information retrieval using Boolean model in Python. And the aim of the experiment is to implement an information retrieval system using a Boolean model by using Python. And then first we before involving into it, first we just understand what is a Boolean model. Boolean model is an information retrieval model which is fundamental model used in searching and information retrieving from the collection of documents. This information retrieval model often uses and or not as it's previously mentioned as it is a Boolean model. And procedure involved in is first we need to initialize a Boolean retrieval class, and we are also initializing a constructor and index initialization. And third step, we have having an indexing document in which the index document method is responsible for indexing the document, and then we are just tokenizing the text content, and associating the data with the document ID. And we can also fetch web data text by using fetch web data text method, by using a library contents, and extract the text from the web source by using HTML, by using Python library called beautiful soap, and extracted text is returned for further processing. Last step is Boolean search, in which the Boolean search function we worked with the indexed document that tokenize the input query and iterates the item. First, I just explained the program. First, we just imported an numpy and pandas, and we also initialized the class named Boolean retrieval. Also initialized the constructor. As I previously mentioned in this step, we are just creating a separate function for each one. Index document, create document matrix, and just entering text must be lower, and split I just split the text into based on their space content, and just we are iterating it here. Create document matrix. We are just creating a document matrix, and here we just print the document matrix for this function. This print all terms will print all the terms in the dictionary, and here the main function we are just entering, it is a Boolean search function in which the entered query is lower and split into result, and the query is passed into the result set of document keys, and we just put the while key to query the terms from one by one. We have just returned separate terms for and, or, and not Boolean logics for working on it. And we are just involving a three document. Python is a programming language. Information retrieval deals with finding information and a Boolean model. And just integrating a single document at a time, and just working with the query one by one. In this, we are just working. I just show the running experiment. Here, I just return the Boolean class functions here, and second I just enter the document, and just put a query as a Python and language, which shows one, which means Python and language are present in only one document, that is a first document. Python and language are present here only. And next we are just trying with a not retrieval. Here not retrieval means retrieval is not present. In document 2 we have a retrieval in second term, and document 3 we have a last term as a retrieval. In document where 1 we don't have a retrieval function. In last query is a Python or information, in which the Python and information, Python either Python or information is present. In document 1 we have Python, in document 2 we have information, in document 3 we also have information, hence it shows all the three ones. That's all. Thank you.